In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a login form in Webflow. Let's dive right in and unfold the process step by step, ensuring you get a firm grip on each part of the journey. First things first, we need to head over to Webflow's official website. If you haven't visited before, Webflow is a robust platform where you can create custom websites using their intuitive visual builder. Once there, you'll notice the option to get started for free. Simply click on that button and you'll be on your way. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. You can either sign up using your email and a unique password, or opt for the convenience of signing in with your Google account. Remember, choosing a strong password is crucial, especially when creating websites to keep your account secure. Once you've logged in, navigate to your Webflow dashboard. Here, you'll choose the site where you're planning to implement the login form. Click on it to be redirected to the design interface. In this design space, the first thing to do is to add a container. Containers help structure your page, ensuring everything stays organized and responsive. Drag and drop a container from the Elements panel onto your canvas. Next, it's time to add a form block within this container. In the Elements panel, find the form block and drag it to the container you just positioned on your canvas. With your form block in place, it's crucial to tailor the settings to match your desired functionality. Click on the form block and open its settings panel. This is where you customize various aspects such as input fields, labels, and buttons, depending on your specific requirements. Feel free to add additional information or fields to accommodate any extra data you might want to collect from users. After customizing your form, it's important to review all settings to ensure everything's in place. Use the Show All Settings option to verify every detail. Additionally, you may want to incorporate highlights or even a checkbox to further enhance user interaction and data collection. Once you're satisfied with your form configuration, it's time to bring your project online. Click the Publish button to deploy your changes. Webflow allows you to publish to selected domains, so ensure that the correct domain is chosen. This step is critical in making your login form live and accessible to users on the web. Finally, you can close the publishing dialog to wrap things up. Congratulations! You've successfully created and published a login form in Webflow. Remember, the key to mastering Webflow lies in frequent practice and exploration of its expansive toolset. As you get more comfortable with these features, you'll find building complex web pages becomes a seamless experience. Thanks for watching and happy designing.